I want to start with the thing most people in online business do not talk about, the restart. I had to tear down my first attempt at building online, not because I had failed at the obvious things, but because I had been building on a foundation I did not understand, and I got to a point where I could not move forward without going back to the beginning and doing it right. That decision cost me months, but it also gave me everything. And today I'm going to show you exactly what the rebuild looked like, so your restart, if you need one, is faster and clearer than mine. Hi, welcome back. Or if you are new here, I am Michelle Ferrie, founder of Profitable Presence Company. I spent decades in corporate marketing and brand strategy before building a structured digital education company for parents and professionals who want to earn well without sacrificing their presence at home. Everything I teach is built on systems, sequence, and things I have lived personally. Today is one of the most personal videos I have made. Here is the honest version of why my first attempt did not work. I had a done-for-you system that gave me tools without understanding. A funnel I could not optimize because I had not built it. Products I had not created that I was being asked to resell. Content with no infrastructure underneath it. Floating in the feed with nowhere to land. When nothing converted, I had no diagnosis. I did not understand the system well enough to fix it, and the only solution on offer was keep going, post more, sell harder. I tried. It did not work. And eventually I made a decision, and starting over in the right order this time was the answer. The restart had one rule: no content until the foundation was complete. Step 1. Problem clarity. I spent 3 days answering one question with precision. Who exactly do I serve, and what specific painful problem do I solve for them? Not broad, not general, specific enough to write a headline. Step 2. Research and understanding. I studied my audience's language, the words they use in searches, forums, and comments. I made their language my language. Step 3. Establishment. Funnel built. Lead magnet created. Email sequence written. All automated. All tested. All working before one piece of content was posted. Step 4. Structure. Offer built from my own knowledge and experience. Sales page live, payment processing working, the entire pathway from stranger to subscriber to buyer connected. Step 5. Execution. Only now content. Every post with a purpose, every reel feeding the funnel, every story building a relationship. No more content floating in the feed with nowhere to take anyone. From restart to first sale, 4 weeks. 1 to 2 hours per day in the right order. If you're watching this and thinking, this is exactly where I am, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not behind. You are better positioned than you were because now you know what does not work. And the restart, done in the right order, is faster than the first attempt. Start with problem clarity. The Presence Method Foundational Blueprint walks you through this exact first step. It is free, it's in the comments below, and if you want the full restart sequence, all 8 steps, the Presence Method course is now available at Founders Rate. Details also in the comments below. If this video gave you clarity, that's exactly what it was built to do. The free foundational blueprint and course details are both pinned in the comments below. Subscribe for one focused, strategic video every Thursday. No noise, no hype, just the building blocks that actually matter. I will see you next Thursday. Until then, take one step towards the business you are building, because you were not built to choose between earning well and being present. You were built to do both. Earn well, live present, and God bless.